Everyone, Om Namah Shivaya. I'm your new science teacher, Vibha Parikh. Today we are going to start our science subject first lesson, matter in our surrounding. If you don't have your textbook, then please get it from or. As we look at our surrounding, we see a large variety of things with different shape, size and texture. We have seen much more things around us, just like if you are whenever you are sitting, wherever you are sitting, see around you, you can see tube light, fan, etc. Each and everything is having a different size, different shape, and something is made up of wood, something is made up of iron, something is made up of some liquid substance. That means it depends on its texture. In scientific language, it is called that everything in the universe is made up of a material which is called matter. Every material that is made up of atoms or molecules or whatever, that is called matter. Every small drop of water or a particle of sand is matter. The things which you are seeing around you, like the air we breathe, the food we eat, stones, clouds, stars, planets, plants, animals, even a small drop of water or a particle of sand. If we needed to say that what is the scientific definition of matter, that it calls matters are all the things that have mass and that occupy space. Having mass, that means you can measure its mass, and having volume, that means it occupies space. Earlier philosophers believed, Indian philosophers as well as Greek philosophers believed that each and everything is made up of 5 things that are called Panchatattva: air, earth, fire, sky and water. In modern science, modern scientists are believed that matter can be classified on the basis of property of matter, that is the physical properties and chemical property. In this chapter, we will study regarding classification of matters according to its physical properties only. So in physical property, the first point is physical nature of matter. And first property is matter is made up of particle. For that we are seeing an activity, that is your activity 1. Take a beaker, take about 100 ml of water in that beaker. Mark on that beaker the surface level of water. After that you add some salt or sugar inside it. You mixed it very well with a glass rod, and after mixing the total component, that is total salt or total sugar, you will have to take measurement, or you will have to take a look in that beaker, that whether the level of the water increases or not increases. The level actually do not increase. So the question arises inside your mind, that where the sugar or salt you put inside the water goes to. That means it finally answer is the salt or sugar. Whenever we are adding it to the water, it first turns into minute particles which arrange between the particles of water, and it never rises the water level. Thank you.